I'm just about to pull this bottom panel. I've already pulled the floor panel, which is this part leading up to about right here, if you can see. These panels are 25 years old and they look like shit. But I've got so much wireage that goes to all my little tiny things that I've jury rigged along the way. It's all Mickey Mouse. If you're not an American, Mickey Mouse means, and I'm sure they have this phrase in many other countries, it means half-assed, poorly done, jury rigged, spend no money to think you've got some bling, and basically it's poor quality because you're a low quality person. That's what Mickey Mouse means. When guys well, in America will talk about that to their friends, it's the ultimate insult in being a low-class scumbag. As far as being automotively aware. Now what I'm doing here is I'm adding negative and positive to these terminals, which they're for future reference because this will probably be one of the last things I hook up. Another good way of doing this is to use a video camera or a regular camera. Shit, I can't make an X. Crap. And I use this Duplicolor. It's automotive black paint. You can buy it for $2 anywhere. It's scratch and fix, which means it doesn't scratch and fix anything, but it's really good for marking things. The bottom panel will be removed. They call this the glove box panel or something else. It's a storage package. I don't know what the hell it is. Anyway, after I take it off, then I'll take all the plumbing off. I'll empty the gas. I'll completely clean everything up. And my friends out there, I'm going to give you I'm going to give you some heads up on a bike I just saw. I'm totally jealous. This is there's another friend of mine that comments a lot on my channel. His name is Frankie from Ohio, I believe. Anyway, he just got his bike running. You got to check this bike out, guys. Just click on his picture and check out his bike. He's got the really coolest looking speedometer setup I've ever seen. Plus he's got this whacked out cool looking chrome light right here that's pointed that way. And then of course he's got the disc brakes, and he's got brand new beautiful looking panels. I'm jealous. So you want to see a nice bike for $218, check out Frankie's channel.